Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to install the neat mod for Minecraft. So, first of all we're gonna need Forge. So, we wanna go to Minecraft Forge. I'll leave the link in the description for 1.7.10. So you wanna do the Windows installer. I usually do the recommended version, so we just wanna do that. Just wanna skip all of this and it should download here. So after that's done, we should go to here. We can close this now. And now that it's downloaded, you can just click it, press yes, and install client, just leave it as it is, install client. So that will install it now. So we want to also go to this mod and we want to go to files. We want to find 1.7.10, which should be somewhere here. Here it is. So we want to press download. Okay, we can keep it. So now we just wanna do this and put it here for now. And now we wanna start by doing this percent update percent. I'm gonna press enter. We wanna go to Minecraft. We wanna make a mods folder. So create new folder. Just name it mods, all lower letters. Open that and now pop that in. Yep. Now go open Minecraft and you want to select Forge 1.7.10. That's the one. You're gonna press play. It's not just gonna be constructing the mods. So let's go single player and let's create a world. Now let's see if this works. So we have the sheep. Where are the sheep? Okay. Yep, here you see 8. Now it's lower 6.5, 5 HP. So let's spawn some skeletons. Yep, you can see their HP is full. That's gonna get loud. So yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and that's about it. Peace out.